If you haven't subscribed, ensure you do so. The question reads, on a hot summer day, the temperature of air in Arizona reaches 114 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the speed of sound in air at the temperature? So what is the speed of sound in air at this temperature? So let's read the question again. On a hot summer day, the temperature of air in Arizona reaches 114 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the speed of sound in air at this temperature? So they want us to find the speed of sound in air at that temperature. So let's see what we can do. So what do we do? To find the speed of sound in air, we usually use there's a given formula we use. So what we need to do here is converting this temperature into degrees Celsius. So let's see how we can convert it. So 32 degrees Fahrenheit is equivalent to 0 degrees Celsius. And we know that 0 degrees Celsius is equivalent to 273 kelvins. So this is what we have written here. So to convert the degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, this is what we do. So we subtract 32 Fahrenheit degrees Fahrenheit from 114. So 114 is the one we've been given as the temperature. So we want to convert it into degrees. So we say 114 degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 degrees Fahrenheit, then multiply by 5/9, which gives us 45.56 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature here. So we've calculated the temperature. So now let's try to use the given formula to find the speed of sound in air at this temperature. So to find the speed of sound in air at that temperature, this is the equation we use. Velocity is equal to 331 meters per second multiplied by the square root 1 plus temperature in degrees Celsius over 273. So we found that the temperature was 45.56 degrees Celsius. This is what we have substituted here over 273. So when we punch this on a calculator, we are getting this. And when we find the square root of 1.166886447, we get the velocity to be 358. So the velocity of sound in air at that particular temperature is 358 meters per second. So that's the speed they wanted us to calculate. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel.